Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification for Google Classroom. Okay, so today we're going to continue on with expanding brackets. Last lesson we looked into expanding bracket only with positive numbers. Today we're going to look into negative numbers. Okay, so with negative numbers, something strange happens. Basically, all the sign change when you expand brackets. So for example, for this one, so we got negative bracket a plus 2. Now, if you open a bracket, every term inside change their sign from positive to negative. If they are from negative, they change to positive. So for example, for the first one, a is positive, so you become negative. 2 is positive, so you change to negative. So negative a minus 2. Okay. So for the next one, similar. X is positive, now it become negative. 3 is positive, now it become negative. Okay, that's it. You can't simplify any further. Don't just give me a number. I don't know what number that is because we don't know what the value of those two polynomial is. Okay, so this is the final answer. You don't need to simplify a little bit any further. Okay, easy, cool. I'm pretty sure you guys can do this. Okay, so give it a go. Everything's basically the same. For for example, so x is positive, yeah, so you become negative x. Well, 3 is negative. That means that means after expanded bracket it become positive. Okay, same f, so t is positive, so become negative. 2 is negative, so become positive. Right, t is positive, become negative. 2 is negative, become positive. Okay, just change the sign. Okay, easy. Right, if you're done, here's the well, I was gonna say here's the answer, but well, let's do them all together. It's not too hard. Okay, so negative a minus 2, negative p minus 7, negative w plus 6 because 6 is negative. Okay, so negative 2x minus 7, negative x minus 3, negative q minus 1, negative y plus 1 equals to negative 32. Wait, is 3x. I apologize. Plus 2. Okay, so yeah, just basically changing signs. Okay, now let's do a little bit harder. Okay, so what about when we have negative sign and numbers? Now this we can do it in 2 steps. For example, we ignore the sign first. We do rainbow method or distributed rule using the number at front first. So we keep the sign on the outside. We keep the bracket. Now we do everything as what we did last lesson. So plus is plus. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Now we expand the bracket. Because both term inside is positive. Now when we open the bracket with a negative sign on the outside, both terms become negative. Okay. Right. You can quickly do b first, pause this video and continue on when we're done. Okay. So we good? Cool. So again, keep negative on the outside bracket. So it's plus is plus. 3 times a is 3a. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. Now we open a bracket with negative on the outside, so we change the sign in the middle. So it becomes negative 3a. Plus become negative 15. Done? Easy? Cool. Let's do this. Pause the video once you're done. I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to show you the answer right now. Okay. You should be alright. If I got anything wrong, just comment on below. I change it. Okay. Alright, let's do a little bit harder. Okay, it's similar to what we did earlier, but we instead of timesing a number, we times the polynomial. So again, it's the same thing. We keep a negative on the outside first, and then we do a rainbow method. X times x is x squared, plus is plus. X times 2 is 2x. So yeah. Now one more step. X squared is positive, so it become negative now. 2x is positive, now become negative. Right, the next one's the same. You put a negative on the outside and put a bracket. So plus is plus. A times A is A squared. 3 times A is 3A. So, and now you open a bracket, negative A squared minus 3A. Okay. I'm just going to give you an answer for the last one. You probably start looking, finding little shortcuts for that. That's okay, but as long as you double check later on with the answer, everything's fine, okay? So I'll let you guys do this one. Once you're done, here's the answer, okay? So I don't have enough space for CF, I, and L, so I just write on the bottom, okay? You can check those easily. Okay, cool. Now, I'm going to give you 2 questions for homework. They're slightly harder, but I'll give you a few examples. I'm doing M here, okay? So again, we do broad maths here, so that means we need to do that first. So 6M minus, similar, if you cover this 2-bit, okay, we did this exactly the same as what we did earlier, yeah? So I'm going to take these 2 off first. So we do a bracket, and then plus this plus, 3 times n is 3m, 2 times 3 is 6, okay, and then everything else stay the same. Cool. Right, we just changed for this block into this block, okay. Now it's the same, 6m, we got negative on the outside. When we open a bracket, everything inside change their sign. So 3m is positive, now become negative. 6 is positive, now become negative, and plus 5. Now we just deal with the like terms. 6m minus 3m is 3m. Negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Okay? You're probably going to take some time, but take your time to do it. Make sure you do it correctly. You can always check your answer with the textbook. Is page 119, question 4. Okay? You can always check your answers. The next question is slightly harder, but I'll give you one example here, also the M. So the first bit, that one's easy. You already learned it before. So it's rainbow method, 3 times P is 3P. Plus is plus, 3 times 7 is 21. So the first part is easy. Second part, we can see it as what we did before. We have a negative sign in front of a bracket. So when we open a bracket, everything changes signs, okay? P is positive, now become negative. Negative 7 is negative, so with negative sign, change sign, that become positive. Okay, now we do like terms, so 3p minus 1p is 2p. Positive 21 plus 7 is 28. Okay, yeah, cool. Yep, that's that. Question 4 and 5 are homework, so hopefully this video is productive for you. If you need any help, just comment below. I'll try to help you as much as I can, okay? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.